I am here to discuss the type of crystalline solid. As we know that there are 5 types of crystalline solid, but we can discuss only 4 types of crystalline solid. As we know, can I discuss one as a notes crystalline solid? Then I can discuss the first type of crystalline solid. First type is molecular solid. We can discuss the constituent of molecular solid: bond, physical nature, electrical property, melting point, and some examples of related to molecular solid. Constituent of molecular solid is molecule, and the bond of molecular solid is dispersion force, and one is also London force. And the physical nature of molecular solid is soft. Electrical property of molecular solid is insulator. Melting point of molecular solid is low. एग्जाम्पल्स हो गया H2, I2, CO2 and etc. And I can discuss some point in notes. In polar molecule has polarity, force, means dipole attraction, now we can discuss the first type of crystalline solid. Here we can discuss the first type, which is molecular solid. Now we can discuss the second type of crystalline solid, which is ionic solid. Ionic solid, and the constituent of ionic solid is ions. And the bonds of ionic solid is soft. Soft, and the physical nature is hard. Electrical property insulator, means insulator in solid. Insulator in solid, and conductor in liquid. and the melting point of ionic solid is high, and force is electrostatic. Example: sodium chloride, MgSO4 is magnesium sulfate, or etc. Here we can discuss the second type of crystalline solid. Now we can discuss the third type of crystalline solid, which is metallic solid, and the constituent of metallic solid is metal. Bond is metallic bonding. And the physical nature is hard, and electrical property is conductor. And melting point high. Force is attraction in metal ion. Attraction in metal, ion, and delocalized electron. Here we can discuss the third type of crystalline solid. Now we can discuss the fourth type of covalent solid. We can also know that covalent solid is also known as network solid, and the constituent of covalent solid is atoms, and bond is covalent. फिजिकल नेचर इज डायमंड में हार्ड होगा, हार्ड, and graphite. Soft. And the electrical property के जगह पर and the electrical conductivity of covalent और network solid is hard में insulator, soft में conductor, and the melting point hard में high, melting point and soft में low melting point, and the example is, sorry, here we cannot discuss the force. एग्जाम्पल में डायमंड, ग्रेफाइट, and etc. Now here we can discuss the four type of crystalline solid, which is covalent solid, also known as network solid. Now we can discuss fifth type of crystalline solid. Fifth type of crystalline solid is not more important, but we can discuss bond, H bonding, this is H bonding, and nature, hard, this is electrically insulator, melting point low, example H2O in ice, H2O, and example H2O in ice. Now we can discuss all type of crystalline solid. Complete.